Hello, everyone, and welcome to English the Natural Way, where we make learning English feel easy and natural. I'm Alex.
And I'm Linda. It's wonderful to have you here with us today.
Linda, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic, Alex. I've been really excited about today's episode. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I spent the morning planning this week, and it made me realize something.
Oh, what's that?
That's actually our topic today. We're going to talk about the future, making plans and expressing our dreams and goals.
That's such a practical topic. We all need to talk about future plans, whether it's tomorrow, next week, or next year.
Exactly. Before we dive in, though, let's say a quick hello to our amazing listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying English the Natural Way, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
And if you find this helpful, please share it with your friends or anyone who's learning English. It really helps us grow this community.
Thank you so much for your support. Now, are you ready to talk about the future, Alex?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
So, Alex, when we want to talk about something that hasn't happened yet, we use future tense. The easiest way to do this is with the word will.
Will. That's a simple word. How does it work?
It's very simple. You take any verb and put will before it. For example, today I eat breakfast. Tomorrow I will eat breakfast.
Oh, I see. So I can say, today I work, tomorrow I will work.
Perfect. Let me ask you, what will you do tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning I will wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I will drink coffee.
Great. And will you have breakfast?
Yes, I will have toast and eggs. What about you, Linda? What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will go to the gym in the morning. Then I will meet a friend for lunch.
That sounds nice. Where will you meet your friend?
We will meet at a cafe downtown. We will talk and drink coffee together.
So we can use will for any action in the future. What will happen next week?
Next week, I will visit my parents. I will stay with them for 3 days.
That's lovely. Will you travel by car?
No, I will take the train. It's faster and more relaxing.
Good choice. So listeners, notice how easy this is. Just use will plus the verb. I will go, you will see, they will come, she will call.
And for questions, we put will at the beginning. Will you go? Will she come? Will they visit?
Let's practice with a few more examples. Linda, will it rain tomorrow?
I think it will rain in the afternoon. The weather forecast says so.
Then I will bring my umbrella to work.
Good idea. And will you walk to work or drive?
I will probably drive because of the rain.
Smart decision. Now, there's also a negative form. If something will not happen, we say will not, or the short form, won't.
Won't. Like, I won't walk to work tomorrow. I won't forget my umbrella.
Exactly. I won't eat meat for dinner tonight. The party won't start until 8 o'clock.
This is very useful. So we have will for positive, will not or won't for negative, and we put will at the beginning for questions.
You've got it perfectly.
So Linda, I know there's another way to talk about the future, something with going to.
Yes, excellent. We use going to when we have a plan or intention. It's something we've already decided.
What's the difference between will and going to?
Good question. Will is often for decisions we make in the moment or predictions. Going to is for plans we already made. Let me give you an example.
Please do.
Imagine you're hungry right now and you decide in this moment you can say, I will eat something. But if you already bought food this morning for tonight's dinner, you say, I'm going to cook pasta tonight.
Ah, I see. So going to is for plans that are more certain, more prepared.
Exactly. So Alex, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yes, I do. I'm going to visit my brother on Saturday. We're going to watch a football match together.
That sounds fun. Are you going to go to the stadium?
No, we're going to watch it at his house. We're going to order pizza and just relax.
Perfect example. You already made these plans, so you use going to.
What about you? What are you going to do this weekend?
On Sunday, I'm going to have brunch with some friends. We're going to meet at 10 in the morning.
Where are you going to have brunch?
We're going to try a new restaurant near the river. I'm really excited about it.
That sounds lovely. Are you going to walk there?
Yes, I'm going to walk. It's not far from my apartment.
So listeners, the structure is simple. Use the verb to be plus going to plus the main verb. I'm going to eat. She is going to work. They are going to travel.
And for questions, we switch it around. Are you going to eat? Is she going to work? Are they going to travel?
Let's practice more. Linda, what are you going to do after this recording?
After this recording, I'm going to have lunch. Then I'm going to answer some emails. What about you?
I'm going to go for a walk. I need some fresh air. Then I'm going to read a book.
What book are you going to read?
I'm going to read a mystery novel. I started it last week and it's very exciting.
Oh, I love mysteries. Are you going to finish it today?
I don't think so. I'm going to read for about an hour. Maybe I'll finish it tomorrow.
Now, let's talk about negative sentences. If you're not going to do something, you say, I'm not going to, or we're not going to.
For example, I'm not going to work late tonight. I'm not going to watch TV this evening.
Good. And she's not going to come to the party. They're not going to buy a new car.
This is really helpful. So we can talk about our weekend plans, our holiday plans, anything we've already decided.
Absolutely. Let's ask our listeners a question. What are you going to do tonight? Think about it, and you can write your answer in the comments.
Great idea. Are you going to cook dinner? Are you going to study English? Are you going to call a friend?
We'd love to hear from you.
So, Linda, we talked about plans for tomorrow and this weekend, but what about bigger dreams? Things we want to do in the future, maybe next year or in 5 years.
That's a wonderful topic. We can use both will and going to for dreams and goals, but we also use some other expressions.
Like what?
We can say, I want to, I hope to, I would like to, or I dream of.
Those sound more emotional, more personal.
They are. So, Alex, what do you want to do in the future? Do you have any big dreams?
I have several dreams. I want to travel to Japan someday. I've always been interested in Japanese culture.
That's exciting. What do you want to do in Japan?
I want to visit Tokyo and Kyoto. I want to see the temples and try authentic Japanese food. I also want to learn some Japanese before I go.
Those are wonderful goals. Are you going to start learning Japanese soon?
Yes, I'm going to start taking online lessons next month. I hope to learn basic conversation.
I hope you achieve that dream. What else do you want to do in the future?
Well, I would like to write a book one day. I've always loved writing.
What kind of book?
Maybe a book about language learning or perhaps a novel. I'm not sure yet. It's still just a dream.
Dreams are important, Alex. They give us direction. I believe you will write a book someday.
Thank you, Linda. What about you? What are your dreams for the future?
I have many dreams too. First, I want to improve my cooking skills. I would like to take a professional cooking class.
That's a great goal. What kind of cooking do you want to learn?
I want to learn Italian cooking. I love pasta and risotto, and I want to make them perfectly.
When are you going to start this class?
I'm going to look for classes this month. I hope to start in the spring.
Wonderful. What other dreams do you have?
I dream of living in a small house by the sea one day. I want to wake up every morning and see the ocean.
That sounds peaceful and beautiful.
It does, doesn't it? I don't know when it will happen, but I hope it will happen someday.
I hope so too. You know, listeners, it's important to have dreams. They motivate us and give our lives meaning.
Absolutely. And when we talk about our dreams in English, we can use these phrases. I want to. I hope to. I would like to. I dream of.
Let's give more examples. I want to learn the piano. I hope to visit all 7 continents. I would like to speak 5 languages fluently.
I dream of opening my own cafe. I want to help more people. I hope to make a difference in the world.
These are all beautiful goals. Now, there's another expression we use for future goals. I plan to.
Yes, I plan to is like going to, but maybe more formal or more serious.
For example, I plan to save money this year. I plan to exercise more regularly.
I plan to read one book every month. I plan to volunteer at a local charity.
These are specific plans with commitment.
Exactly. So listeners, let me ask you, what is one dream you have for your future? What do you want to achieve? What do you hope to do?
Maybe you want to travel somewhere special. Maybe you want to learn a new skill. Maybe you want to change your career.
Whatever it is, practice saying it in English. Write it down. Say it out loud. I want to. I hope to. I dream of.
Because when we speak our dreams, they feel more real.
Linda, there's another use of the future tense. We use it to make predictions about what we think will happen.
Like predicting the weather or predicting who will win a game.
Exactly. We often use will or I think will for predictions.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. I think it will be sunny tomorrow. I think our team will win the match. I think electric cars will be very common in 10 years.
Oh, I see. These are guesses or opinions about the future.
Right. We don't know for certain, but we're making a prediction based on what we know or feel.
Let me try. I think people will travel to Mars in the next 20 years.
Interesting prediction. I think technology will continue to change very fast.
I think more people will work from home in the future.
I agree with that. The world is changing. What do you think will happen to education?
I think more students will study online. I think schools will use more technology in classrooms.
Those are good predictions. What about the environment?
That's important. I hope people will use more renewable energy. I think more countries will protect their forests.
I hope so too. What about everyday life? How will life be different in 20 years?
I think robots will help us more at home. Maybe robots will cook and clean for us.
That would be helpful. I think people will live longer because of better medicine.
I think there will be cars that drive themselves.
Actually, those already exist, but I think they will be more common.
True. You know, making predictions is fun because we can imagine the future.
It is fun, and it's great practice for using will and I think.
Listeners, you can practice too. What do you think will happen in the future? Think about technology, the environment, society, your own life.
Try making sentences with I think will. For example, I think I will travel more. I think my city will grow bigger.
And remember, predictions are just guesses. It's okay if they don't come true. The practice is what matters.
Linda, let's have a real conversation now using everything we learned. Let's talk about next month.
Good idea. So, Linda, February is coming soon. What are your plans for February?
Well, at the beginning of February, I'm going to attend my cousin's wedding. I'm really excited about it.
That's wonderful. Where's the wedding going to be?
It's going to be in the countryside, at a beautiful old hotel. The ceremony will be outdoors if the weather is nice.
I hope it will be nice weather. Will many people attend?
Yes, I think about 100 people will come. It will be a big celebration.
What are you going to wear?
I'm going to wear a new blue dress. I bought it last week specifically for this wedding.
You'll look beautiful, I'm sure. What will you do after the wedding?
After the wedding, I'm going to take a few days off work. I want to relax and maybe do some reading. What about you, Alex? What are your plans for February?
I'm going to start my Japanese lessons, remember? I'm really excited about that. My first class will be on February 5th.
That's fantastic. How often are you going to study?
I'm going to take 2 classes every week, and I'm going to practice every day for at least 30 minutes.
That's a great plan. I think you'll learn quickly with that schedule.
I hope so. Also, in the middle of February, my brother and I are going to go skiing.
Oh, that sounds fun. Where are you going to ski?
We're going to go to a mountain resort about 3 hours from here. We're going to stay for a long weekend, from Friday to Monday.
Have you been skiing before?
Yes, but I'm not very good. I think I will fall down many times.
That's part of the fun. You'll improve with practice. Will the weather be good for skiing?
I think so. February usually has a lot of snow there. I think it will be perfect.
I hope you'll have a wonderful time, and I hope you won't break any bones.
Me too. I'll be careful, I promise.
Well, Alex, we covered so much today. We talked about will, going to, dreams, and predictions.
It was a great conversation. I feel like our listeners have so many tools now to talk about the future.
Let's do a quick review. For simple future, use will plus the verb. I will go. She will come. They will work.
For plans you already made, use going to. I'm going to visit my friend. We're going to watch a movie.
For dreams and goals, use I want to, I hope to, I would like to, I dream of.
And for predictions, use I think will. I think it will rain. I think she will be happy.
Perfect summary, Alex.
So, listeners, now it's your turn to practice. We have a question for you.
What are you going to do this weekend? Share your plans in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
And tell us one dream you have for the future. What do you want to achieve? What do you hope to do?
Remember, speaking about your goals helps make them real.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English the Natural Way and click the notification bell.
Share this episode with anyone who's learning English. Your support helps us create more content for you.
Thank you so much for listening today. It was wonderful talking about the future with you.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.